Hello, leaders. Hey, this is Paul Grau, and welcome to Run to Your Leadership Challenges, the daily show that equips team leaders to help their teams reach their full potential. This show is sponsored by the CLC team, and they provide team coaching and training, an online training membership community for leaders, and a brand new mastermind group for leaders who want to continually grow. And by the way, right now, you can join the mastermind group for the founder's price of only $200 a month if you join before May 1st. And this special price includes the online membership group that has an additional 4 extra live calls each month and 2 video courses every month. Man, I will guarantee that you're not going to find a better deal out there if you want to continuously grow and learn with other leaders. Find out more about this at clcteam.com. Hey, hope you're doing great today. And today, I want to talk about the power you have just by saying a few words and how this power can be something that encourages your team members to excel or push them to fail. The power that I'm talking about are the power of the words you say as a leader. And this could be any form of leader, whether it's a leader at work, a leader at home, if you're a leader on a sports team or a recreational league, or a leader in a knitting club. If you are seen as somebody who has any kind of authority at all, your words carry an extreme amount of power. Proverbs 18:21 says the tongue has the power of life and death. Now that's some pretty strong power, right? Life and death. Have you ever thought about your words having that much power? Well, they do. Now think about it this way. When was the last time somebody told you that you're doing a great job and complimented you on your work? Now think about the last time somebody criticized you or reminded you how badly you failed at something. Or, heck, simply gave you a not so great rating on your annual review. Chances are you can remember both occurrences quite well. However, that negative comment or those negative comments are probably fairly clearer to you than the positive ones. Or you've done a fantastic job of blocking them out of your mind, which, by the way, that is not as easy as it sounds, and you should be highly complimented for doing that, because that is definitely a skill. Have you ever heard somebody tell somebody else they just are not good enough? Or has anybody ever told you that you're worthless? Or have you heard somebody tell somebody they're worthless? Have you ever told anyone that you are ashamed of them? And or have you had somebody tell you that they're ashamed of you? If you can relate to any of these comments, man, you know exactly how detrimental they can be, whether it was from early childhood or at work yesterday. Those words can crush a soul, and it can hold people back for a very long time, sometimes a lifetime. On the other hand, when was the last time somebody with authority responded to a failed effort with words like, "It's okay, we're going to get through this," or "It was a good try and we learned a lot, we'll do it better next time"? You see, these words can lift a soul and encourage you to carry on and try again, to hold your head up high because you knew that you gave it your best effort. Today's challenge is for you to take notice of the words spoken in your office or on the phones, or when things are going really good and not so good. Just observe and listen to the actions and the words being spoken, both the words of other people and your words. Then I challenge you to determine if your words are crushing or lifting, providing life or death, and then simply make the needed adjustments and encourage others to do the same. There are ways to encourage people even when they fail, and even when they are making unwise choices. And it's our job as leaders to encourage them and build them up. Hey, I'm going to start doing 1 or 2 shows each week dedicated solely on answering your questions. In order for me to do that, I need your help. I need you to submit your questions and or challenges that you are struggling with or have struggled with in the past. It could be any type of question as long as it deals with something to do with leadership, either on the job or off the job. It doesn't matter. Please send any input or questions or challenges to Paul, that's Paul, at clcteam.com. Once again, that email is Paul, Paul, at clcteam.com. I look forward to reading your emails and doing shows specifically on your challenges. I hope you have a great rest of the day, and thank you for listening. Please join us again tomorrow as we talk about a very special group of people, and that's the people who simply get it, if you know what I mean. Until then, run to your challenges.